In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent Excel's automatic link warning messages. If you've been interrupted by error messages every time you open a workbook linked to other documents, this guide will help you resolve it and improve your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your Excel links smoothly without unwanted warnings. Start by opening the workbook that triggers the warning. Once your document is in front of you, direct your attention to the top of the interface where the File tab is located. This tab gives you access to a wide range of settings and options, so click on it to continue. Think of it as entering the control center for your Excel environment. After clicking File, a panel will appear displaying various options. Look for the Options command, which is usually towards the bottom of the list, depending on your Excel version. Clicking Options opens a new window that contains many settings you can adjust to enhance how your documents behave. Inside the Options window, navigate to the Advanced section. This area contains detailed features that let you fine-tune Excel's behavior. Scroll down through the options carefully until you find the setting labeled Update Links to Other Documents. This setting is essential for controlling whether external links refresh automatically and helps prevent those disruptive warning messages. Once you locate this option, set it according to your preferences. Choosing not to update links automatically can be useful if you work offline frequently or prefer to control when links are refreshed. Adjust the setting so it fits your workflow, and you're almost finished. Next, apply the changes by clicking the OK button. This ensures that your adjustments take effect and that future workbooks open without unnecessary interruptions. With this step completed, your Excel experience becomes smoother, allowing you to focus on your tasks without being distracted by pop-ups. Congratulations! You've successfully taken a crucial step toward managing linked workbooks more efficiently. Implementing this adjustment enhances both your productivity and peace of mind. You can now work with confidence, knowing that Excel will behave according to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.